Buried in black silt. A 280SE.
That line is the flood's signature, and everything below it paid the price.
No rush. One wrong pull, and rare metal becomes scrap. This isn't mud, it's a vacuum. It doesn't want to let go.
A cabriolet built like a vault, ruined by water they'll never stopped.
There it is, 280SE. Not a rumor, proof.
Once the hook bites, there's no pretending. We pull for real.
Even underwater, the glass kept its shape. That's German engineering.
If we force it, we break it. So we persuade it.
Before we erase the grime, we record the truth.
Up, slowly, let the darkness stay behind.
Now we clean, and the real damage will speak.
That's the sound of silt surrendering.
Flood damage is messy. Our process isn't.
Before we revive, we purge what water poisoned.
This is what underwater luxury looks like before we fix it. One bolt freed, a whole roof system comes back to life.
We don't clean rot, we remove it.
That's the first stitch, holding the Mercedes together again.
Every spark is a step back to factory strength.
We don't rush the seam. We stitch it back to forever.
Strength is nothing without sealing what you saved.
Flood rot doesn't get patched over, it gets removed.
Now we can finally rebuild the foundation.
This is the skeleton coming back together.
Water doesn't just rust steel, it steals electricity too.
Underwater fuel isn't fuel, it's damage, so we purge it.
That pattern, that's hope.
This is the truth. No paint, no cover,
just metal waiting to be perfect. Seal it first, so rust never finds a way back.
Fresh metal doesn't stay naked. Seal it, and it survives.
Not shiny yet, but this is where mirror reflections are born.
If the top doesn't glide, the luxury is gone. So we bring the glide back.
Floods dull everything, but craftsmanship brings the glow back.
Chrome. Smooth first, then silver. Always in that order.
Listen, that's flatness. That's the sound of future reflections.
From flood darkness to factory silver, the comeback is visible now.
This is the moment the body starts breathing again.
One panel at a time, the silver turns into a mirror.
This is the best part. The line tells you everything went right.
The moment the star shines, the car gets its dignity back.
A seat isn't a part. It's the first proof you can live in it again.
The flood touched everything, so we cleaned everything. This is the moment you can't fake. Either it lives or...
There it is. Not a roar, just elegance returning.
That click is the sound of luxury being restored.
From silt to stance. Now it looks like it belongs in 1969 again.
Two worlds, one car. And the silver side wins.
No flood, no silt, just silver elegance, reborn.
When chrome reflects like glass, you know it's done.
No drama, just smooth German heartbeat.
It spent years in darkness, now it belongs in the sun.
If it can spin under bright lights, it's truly finished.
The water left a scar, and we erased it with craft.